Today we solve some more questions in triangles and angles. Here is a parallelogram. In this parallelogram you are given some angles and also a diagonal. You know the parallelogram properties. Opposite sides are parallel. If you are familiar with the angles made by the transversal in a parallel lines, easily we can solve this. See in this, when I take these two parallel lines, it is a transversal. Y and 36 form interior alternate angles and are equal. If I take these two parallel lines, this x and what I mark here, the question mark is also x because they also form interior alternate angles. And the relation between x and y is given here as x is 4 times of y by 3 and y is 3/8 of z. Using these clues you have to find z also. Let's see how. First you have to see that AB is parallel to CD in the question. AB is parallel to CD. Then what is transversal? BD is transversal. BD is transversal. If these two are parallel, it is a transversal, that is angle ABD and BDC are equal. Therefore, angle ABD is equal to angle BDC, both measure x degrees, okay, because they are alternative angles. Next, if I take AD and BC parallel, AD is parallel to BC, then the same transversal, BD is transversal. Now, this is CBD. Angle CBD is equal to BDA. Both measure 36 degrees because it is given 30, so I also measure 30. They are also alternative angles. But you are given the condition x is equal to 4/4 of y. Therefore, x is equal to 4/3 of y. What is the y we got here? 36. So, x is equal to 4/3 into 36, 3 12 times, we get 48. X we got 48 degrees. And from this statement, y is equal to 3/8 of z or 3/8 of z is equal to y. I write 3/8 of z is equal to y. So 3 or z is equal to y into 8/3. We already know y value, that is 36, because y and 36 are alternative angles. So z is equal to 36 into 8/3, 3 12s. So z is equal to 96 degrees. We got x and z, and also we know y, that is 36. Now I take this bad triangle, okay. In triangle BAD, we have x 36 and angle A. X plus 36 plus angle A together 180 because some angle property. And what is the measure of x? We solved already, 48. So 48 plus 36 plus angle A is equal to 180. So angle A is 180 minus the sum of these 48 and 36, 70, 84. So which gives 96 degrees. Okay, 96. This is 96 degrees. So angle A, nothing but BAD. Where is BAD? We got we got angle BAD, one of the angle, and ABC, ABC, that is sum of x plus y. We know x and y, the sum is angle ABC. This also we got. Angle BCD, BCD nothing but Z. We solved, that is 96. Therefore, we write answer to the questions. Angle BCD is equal to, is nothing but Z, which is equal to 96 degrees. First answer. And angle ABC, is equal to x plus y, which is x 48 and y is 36. 48 plus 36, that is equal to 84 degrees. And finally, angle BAD, just we solved. Angle BAD is 96 degrees. So we solved all the questions. It seems to be confusion, but very easy, very important. One more question. Here we have triangle ABC, in which angle A is right angle, and for this ABC triangle, AL is the perpendicular on BC. So ALC is also right triangle, and ABC is also right triangle, and ABL is also right triangle. We have three right angle triangles in this figure. From the question, your question angle BAL, that is a part of this 90. This part BAL is equal to ACB, that is angle C. First I take this triangle and the whole triangle, that is ABL and ABC, to solve this. In triangle ABL, that is this part of the triangle. So in triangle ABL, so I am considering this triangle. We have three angles in this triangle, that is angle ABL plus angle BLA plus angle LAB. Angle LAB, altogether 180 by some angle property we know. Angle ABL, which is to be solved. Angle ABL plus angle BLA, which is 90, plus angle LAB, which is unknown, is equal to 180. So the sum of these two, that is angle ABL plus angle LAB, is equal to 180 minus 90, 90 degrees. 90 degrees. What we want here, angle BAL, that is LAB. So this BAL is equal to 90 minus angle ABC or angle A. So I write angle BAL is equal to 90 minus, since ABC, see angle ABC, it is B degree. So I write angle B instead of angle ABC. This is the first statement. From the first triangle, we got angle BAL is equal to 90 minus B. Now I take the whole triangle, that is ABC. In triangle ABC, we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, some angle property. Angle A, which is 90 degrees in this triangle, 90 degrees, plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Therefore, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 90, 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay. Next, ACB, that is angle C. angle C is equal to 90 minus B again. What is C? Angle ACB. We got 90 minus B. What is BAL? We got 90 minus B. See, first and second statements, even BAL is 90 minus B. Angle ACB also 90 minus B. We prove from 1 and 2, angle BAL is equal to angle ACB. We prove. So by taking two triangles separately, one is a child triangle, other is a mother triangle, we prove this question very easily. We have one more question. In this question, already we proved or we solved this type of question earlier videos. In the second video, in triangle PQR, it is given QT and RT are the bisectors of angle Q and angle R. And the question is angle TQR. TQR, I mark here X to call it easily, and also angle QTR, this angle Y. We already proved this topic, that is angle Y. Angle Y is found by the bisectors of the base angles of the triangle. Okay, this angle which is found by the bisectors of the base angle is always 90 plus the vertical angle. It is already proved. The same concept we use here, and we don't derive the old here now. So we use the past knowledge here. We like the consider also in triangle PQR, QT and RT bisects angle Q and angle R. Okay, let TQR is X, X and QTR is equal to Y. Therefore, we want Y. Therefore, Y is equal to, since Y is found by the bisectors of the base of the triangle, it is always 90 degrees plus half the vertical angle, that is 80. Because it is already proved. We will not show how it is. 240 is 90 plus 40, which is 130 degrees. We got Y, that is QTR. One other question. So we got this Y of the triangle TQR. Since it is the bisector, it is 30, it also measures 30. Okay. Now I take this triangle, that is TQR. Okay. In triangle TQR, we have three angles: angle X, angle Y, and 30. Angle X plus angle Y plus 30 together 180 by some angle property. Angle X, TQR, it to be solved. So angle X is angle X plus Y we solved just now, that is 130 plus 30 is equal to 180 degrees. So X is equal to 180 minus the sum of 130 plus 30, 160. So X is equal to 20 degrees. So what is X? TQR. So TQR also solved. So angle QTR is 130 and angle TQR is equal to 20 degrees. By using the past concept, past knowledge, we solve this very easily. If you forget this concept, that is angle made by the bisectors of the base of the triangle is 90 plus the vertical angle, if you forget that question, you cannot solve this also. So there is an interlink for the past to the present. So past is very important. Past is the foundation of your present life. This question teaches us this concept. So don't forget the past.